Good day, ladies and gentlemen. For this video, we are going to tackle Quizalize, taking quiz to another level. This video activity is entitled Understanding Data and Ways to Systematically Collect Data. In here, Quizalize will be applied in Grade 12 Practical Research 2 with a performance standard chooses appropriate quantitative research design. For the learning competency, the students will be able to describe adequately quantitative research designs, sample, the instrument used, intervention, data collection, and analysis procedures. Now, let's go and find out what is Quizalize.
Quizalize is the best platform for remote or face-to-face classrooms. It can engage the class with fun, standard stag quizzes. Here, teachers can get instant data on student mastery and automatically assign differentiated follow-up activities. It can be used as a pre-assessment tool and as a formative assessment to check for understanding and determine how to proceed with instruction in the middle of lessons and units. Now, what are some of its features? First, it can engage students in fun, standard stag quizzes. It can get instant data on each student's progress through skills and track their mastery of standards over time. Next, it can assign follow-up activities that automatically appear after quizzes. It can also set different videos, PDFs, and web links depending on student scores. And next, it can get recommendations for effective resources. And one of its most appealing features as a formative testing method in the classroom is the ability to offer various quizzes to students of varying levels of ability.
Now, let's create and administer a quiz using Quizalize. So, we have 7 steps. The first step is, of course, log into your teacher account found in your upper right corner. The second step is you will go to your class. So what's good in Quizalize is you can connect it to your Google Classroom, or you can just create a class on the Quizalize itself. So for our class, it will be Grade 12 Practical Research 2. For the step 3, you will just click Create New Quiz. And after clicking Create New Quiz, you will be directed to the quiz editor. So you will now create your quiz using the quiz editor. So for our case, we put our quiz title, and what's good in Quizalize is that we can align it to the Philippine curriculum. So as you can see, our curriculum is Philippines Curriculum, Senior High School, Applied Subject, Practical Research 2. And you will just write your question, the correct answer. Incorrect answers and explanations are optional. Also, you can put the curriculum skill, which is the learning competency that is stated earlier. On the left side, you can adjust the time. You can use math mode. You can use images, audio, and text-to-speech. After creating your quiz, you can now, once done, you can now click Save and Give to Class. Once you click that Save and Give to Class, you will now be directed to this part where you will be giving the students the link and the code. So you will be giving the link and the code to your class. And after that, you will now administer your quiz. So as you can see on our leaderboard, it shows the scores of the students who's on top and who is not, who is on the bottom. And that's how you create a quiz and administer a quiz using Quizalize. Easy, right?
As teachers, we have to collaborate and communicate with each other in order to do things successfully. We also have to be resourceful and knowledgeable on different tools that will help us in teaching our students. With the Quizalize assessment tool, we are aided in knowing the proficiency and knowledge of our students regarding a certain subject. Quizalize is very easy to use, and it can be very helpful in assessing the students either formatively or summatively. We can also make our assessments efficiently using this tool. It is very convenient as the teachers and students can use it even without an app. Now that we are having this online class, Quizalize is very much recommended for teachers and students to use. That's it, and thank you very much.